In this video, we'll be looking at loadings and bonuses. So first of all, what is a loading? If we have a wage or a salary earner and they have to work in difficult or hazardous conditions, then the worker may be granted an extra payment or loading. So it's an extra payment, which we call a loading. We also get loadings for holidays. So think of it as an extra payment. So for a 4-week period, people are paid an extra 17.5% of their usual wage. So for example 10, we have Simon working as an electrician. He receives $42 per hour for a 36-hour working week. And he works at heights sometimes. So he might be up on a ladder, might be on a roof, up high, and he gets $3 per hour height loading. So he gets an extra $3. We need to calculate Simon's wage in a week where he works 7 hours at heights. So the solution is Simon's wage, 42 hours in blue, $42 per hour in blue, 36-hour working week, and he gets an extra $3 for 7 hours of work. All together, he gets paid $273. A leave loading for holidays. So 17.5% of normal pay for up to 4 weeks each year as holiday pay. So Belinda works as a hairdresser and is paid a normal rate of $20 per hour. So you can see that in blue. And she works a 40-hour working week. We need to calculate Belinda's normal weekly wage. So the weekly wage is $20 in blue times 40 in green, which is $800. For part B, we need to calculate her 4 weeks of annual leave, which is 17.5%. So you can see purple and purple. Annual leave is a loading of 17.5%. And we need to calculate the amount that Belinda receives in holiday loading. So the holiday loading, which you can see is extra pay during annual leave, normally over Christmas, but doesn't have to be. So $800 is her weekly wage from the previous answer, times 4, because she has 4 weeks, 17.5% over 100. So this number is how much extra she gets paid. So the actual loading is the extra part. In part C, calculate the total amount that Belinda receives for the 4 weeks of annual leave. So 800 times 4, the weekly wage is 800, 4 weeks, plus the loading. So she gets 3,760 for that 4-week period. The other way that people can get bonuses for holidays and end of year is with a bonus. So in example 12, we have Rachel is the CEO of a fashion company on a salary of $250,000 per year. So CEOs get paid a lot. And we need to find 1% of her salary for every percentage point that she increases the company's profit. If the company profit grows from 2.5 million to 3.5 million in 1 year, calculate the amount of Rachel's bonus. So first of all, the percentage profit is 40%. So the difference between 3.1 and 2.5 divided by the original number times by 100, because it's percentage, is 40%. Rachel gets 1% for each percentage increase. So she gets 40 lots of 1% of this number. So she receives $100,000. Okay.